Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to become a Just Eat rider in the UK 2026. First, you need to meet some basic requirements to become a Just Eat rider. You must be at least 18 years old. You should have a valid driving license or the ability to ride a cycle. You need a smartphone to use the app. To become a Just Eat rider, follow these steps. Open the Just Eat Rider website or app on your browser or mobile phone. Sign up by entering your name, email, phone number, and other details. Choose your delivery method, such as cycle, motorbike, or car. Verify your ID and driving license. Go through the training materials and policies available in the app. Once everything is complete, your Just Eat Rider account will be activated, and you can start receiving orders. Remember, deliver orders on time to maintain a good rating. Accept more orders to keep your acceptance rate high. Keep an eye on tips and bonuses available in the app. This is how you can become a Just Eat rider in the UK in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.